Hi everyone! We'd love you to be our guest today for the unbeatable breakfast. We are gonna show you that there's a happier way to eat eggs for the perfect start of your day.
Parmesan Cloud
Eggs! And don't worry because this recipe is easy and anyone can master it. So Nicholas, do you wanna show them what are the ingredients we're gonna need?
Yeah. First we need Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, 1 egg per person, sea salt, fresh chives, black pepper.
Awesome! We love to start our day with an egg dish because they are high in proteins and rich in nutrients. I also want to make sure to choose eggs with the Foodland Ontario logo on the package to support local Ontario egg farmers. That's why I use the free-range eggs from Conestoga Farms. First, we'll start separating the egg whites from the yolks. Add a pinch of salt to the egg whites and beat until stiff peaks form. We'll gently fold in the cheese. Spoon the egg whites into 2 mounds on the baking sheet. Then make a deep well inside. We're gonna bake the egg whites until they are firm, no longer wet, and just beginning to color for about 4 minutes. We remove the baking sheet from the oven and place an egg yolk inside each well. Return the baking sheet to the oven and bake the eggs an additional 2 minutes or until the yolks reach your desired doneness. We'll remove the eggs from the oven, top them with ground black pepper and the fresh chives, and we're gonna serve them immediately. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching us, and don't forget to tag Amiga da Meta if you do this recipe.